What is minimum stability in Composer? Composer is a dependency management tool for projects running on ASP.ASP frameworks like Laravel, Symfony, and CodeIgniter. Use Composer to manage libraries and projects and packages. In this tutorial, you will learn the following: Introduction to Composer, minimum stability in Composer, levels of stability, and the recommended version for production code. On the benefits of using a dependency tool is that it makes it easy to declare the key value pair of packages you need for your project. This way, you can install dependencies by the Composer install command or update them by the Composer update command in the terminal. Introduction to Composer. In Laravel, the Composer.json is a JSON file located at the root of the project directory. It contains simple configuration used for dependency management, such as the project name, type optional, description optional, and the list of required packages. These packages are represented using key value pairs name and version to be installed. Additionally, the composer.json file includes some required packages for the development environment, which can be added as a part of the configuration setup. Here's what a composer.json file look like. Look this. This is the face.